Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reset your Indeed password in 2026. Yeah, if you forgot your password or can't log in, this quick guide will help you recover your account step by step. First, open the Indeed app or website and go to the login page. Next, click on the Forgot Password option under the login fields. This will start the password reset process. Now enter the email address linked to your Indeed account. Make sure it's the same email you used when signing up. After that, check your inbox for a password reset email from Indeed. Yeah, it usually arrives within a few minutes. Now open the email and click the reset password link. This will take you to a secure page where you can create an OFA. Next, enter your new password. So make sure it's strong and something you can remember easily. Once your password is updated, go back and log in using your new credentials. And that's how to reset your Indeed password in 2026. Hopefully this helps you get back into your account quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.